Let's do it. This is our National Treasures random teams. All teams have hits. Chiefs and Vikings had the least amount, so I comboed those with a couple of teams that didn't have as many hits as well. But Vikings and Chiefs were the least amount, but all teams do have hits. This is our National Treasures going by the NFL team, the team that they're associated with in the NFL, 8 times. By the way, if we hit a veteran, it goes with the team they were most associated with, longest tenure with. 8. For instance, Peyton Manning would go to the Colts, not the Broncos. Joe Montana would go to the 49ers, not the Chiefs. So on and so forth. 8 times. But as far as rookies are concerned, it's what team they're currently on today. 8 times. Oh, I must have scrolled that one up too much. 8 times. We have Redskins on top. That goes all the way down to the Jets. Michael Toe. 8 times. Michael, you'll be looking for Sam Darnold. He's your best rookie. You could hit a Joe Namath or something, though, I guess. I don't know who all the veterans are in this. Anyway, that's it. I'll be right back. We'll do random teams. See ya.